Hi everyone, this is the Plantaholic. So I've actually moved some of my hardier plants out of the conservatory outside now to make more room in the conservatory to acclimatise some of my house plants, and also because it's starting to warm up a little bit now, I've put these plants right against the south facing wall of the house so that if we do have a touch of frost, the frost never really goes here anyway, so they'll still be kept frost free. I've just moved them outside, given them a water, and we're expecting rain tomorrow afternoon and Saturday as well, so they'll love that. So I've got these vascancelias or mountain pawpaws which are in flower. So you can see there, I'm hoping that I'll get some fruits off those. I mean, those are female flowers. You can actually see the ovary inside the actual flower. I don't know if you can see that in the centre. So yeah, I've got two of those. So I'm hoping that they'll cross-pollinate soon. Got fantastic papaya foliage, lovely shape. Got the Musa Basjou, which has just been on the other side there in the conservatory, so it's literally just moved on the other side of the glass. Pelargoniums, obviously they're quite tough. They can survive many winters outside on a south facing wall anyway, especially mild winters, and I'm sure many of you in London grow them outside permanently. Look fabulous in that blue pot, I think, really Mediterranean looking. And I've just moved my cycad revolutas outside. So I've got a nice size one and a small one, and again, place like London and the coastal areas, people are growing these outside no problem at all. People say they can go down to -6 or so. Washingtonia palm, it's only a baby, but that's going to love the sun out here, being from Western North America. I just thought I'd show you these. Well, this is my Calocasia fontanesii, Esculenta fontanentii, and I find it really tough. This one's actually survived the winter outside, and more people are finding that now. They're treating them more like cannas. Obviously, if you have a really bad winter, you might lose them, or you could try and give them a deep mulch. But I mean, this one's in a pot, but it is tucked right up against the house, and that's the one with the lovely black stems. You can see these blackish stems there already. So that's just a few of my plants that I've moved out of my conservatory, and now I've made a lot more room in my conservatory now that I've moved those plants outside. So I'm sure now I can fill up all these gaps by, you know, moving all the plants that are in here already tighter together, and then also I can move most of my house plants in here to acclimatise them before moving them outside for the summer. Hope you've enjoyed that, guys. If you like what you see, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.